What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be working on my Toyota Camry once again. A couple of you guys requested to do the filter change on the engine filter and the cabin filter, so that's what we're going to do today. We're going to do a step-by-step instruction video on how you could do it yourself. And I actually went to Toyota and get my car serviced, and they told me just to change the engine filter, which is really simple, was gonna be close to 80 bucks more or less, which is absurd. It's super simple. And the cabin filter was more or less around the same thing. And so I just got these off Amazon. They're very cheap. I'll put the link down below so you guys could purchase it if you guys would like. But I know K&N sells their own reusable filter. You just have to re-oil it and you can reuse it. But I decided to go with a simple one just for now. I'm gonna end up changing the intake eventually on this car, so there's no big deal for the K&N dropping. But without further ado, let's get to it. All right, so honestly, you don't need no tools. Honestly, all you really need is to take off these clips right here. I'm gonna show you. Give me 1 second. Okay, so basically you just need there's these clips right here, one right here and one right here, that take off the air box, which I believe there's no other one. But to make it easier for everybody, make sure you take off this the MAF sensor. It literally just clips off like that. Comes off right here. Put gloves on, but sometimes you gotta get your hands dirty. Comes off like that, just so it can make it easier for you to move around the stuff. You pop open the clips, and this literally should just come up straight up. There's a little clip, there's a little bar in the back that holds it into a certain angle. You take it off, and voila, there's the filter. So the filter isn't that bad, but I'm gonna change it anyways. So that's how you take out that one. You drop in the new one. And then make sure you clip it in the back. Once you put on the filter, make sure you put the clips on, backward, reverse. These slide on very easy also. This way. And the MFA sensor. And that's it. So air intake is done. Let's start going that way for the cabin filter, which is very simple also. All right, so the next one is the cabin filter. This one's really simple also. Oh, can we get in here? So basically, you gotta take everything out from your little glove box. Oh, this crap. And then there's this little clip here. So what you do is you open this. This comes out. Let me see. Okay, so you pinch these two here, and this comes out. And there's a filter. This is up. Yeah, it's not bad, but it is dirty. Let's see. It is dirty. So all you gotta make sure is now you go and get your new one. So the one I got is actually more or less the same one. It's a carbonated one. So now you just switch them over. This, you pinch it, comes out this way. Make sure when you take it off, this one's off. This one says the airflow. I want you see right here, the airflow goes down into the cabin. So just put it, if you look at the old one, match the old one with the new one. So just drop it in the same way. That was really simple. So then, now, make sure this is, see how it says up right here? Make sure you just literally just push it in there. Make sure it's sitting properly. And put everything backwards. So this goes in here. That's in. And then the other piece, which goes in here. And there you have it. Cabin filter is changed. Alright guys, so as you see, those two filters were really simple to change, and I was surprised myself how easy it was. I brought all these tools thinking I was going to need them. I didn't even use one. But it's alright. And so I just want to finish off saying once again, thank you guys for all the support. If you guys haven't followed yet, make sure you follow our IG and Facebook so you could follow up on our merchandise that's going to be dropped soon. We're going to have a little preview and see what you guys think. So make sure you go to our social media pages and check it out. A little sneak peek before that, before the actual drop. And once again, thank you for all the support. I hope this video helped somebody out and saved a couple $100 at least from the dealer. And hopefully we'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you comment down below on anything you would like to see in the future, and we'll make our best to make it happen. Once again guys, thank you.